Based on the work that we've done with all types of data centers in the last 10 years, we've created what we refer to as the Cooling Optimization Program, or COP. And it's a multi-step action to identify and address issues that negatively impacting cooling in the data center. First, the process begins with a high-level assessment. And this is an initial information gathering exercise and discussion with the client to begin to understand the conditions and issues in the data center. As noted in the slide, all registrants for this webinar are eligible for a free HLA. If the HLA indicates a good opportunity for the client to improve cooling efficiency and reduce operating costs, then we move to the Audit Metrics stage, which is the detailed data collection. Here, typically, we have a site visit. We may be in your site for, depending upon the size of the site, typically we're in there for a day. In some cases, at the large site, we may be in there for a couple of days doing data collection. And using the data collected at this stage, we create a variety of metrics and KPIs, which help us to characterize the data center and compare these metrics to industry best practices. The whole objective of the audit and metrics exercise is to uncover the root cause of the cooling inefficiencies in your data center. Then we move to the technical and financial feasibility stage, and this is a report that's developed outlining the recommendations that should be implemented, the cost of the implementation, projected energy incentives, and projected energy reduction. This basically is a business plan that can be presented to management for review and approval. And this is reviewed clearly with the client, providing feedback and recommendations. The solutions delivery stage then is the final stage, and this is a turnkey delivery of the recommendations and all what we're suggesting should be done to the data center to improve cooling energy efficiency. If the client decides to proceed with the implementation of the recommended actions, we put together a detailed project implementation plan, energy metering to validate the energy savings for the incentive, and completion of the energy incentive application on behalf of the client. At this stage, of course, here is where we engage and manage the appropriate contractors and product suppliers to ensure that the necessary changes are being made to the site. Just back up one actually, Nicola. The program is effective in optimizing cooling and providing positive results for the client for a few reasons. First, we do extensive data collection to understand how the data center works. We do not come in with a preconceived solution in our mind. We do energy metering pre and post project, so we can create a picture of the cooling energy consumption in the site. And we provide the client with projected energy savings and energy initiatives as part of the business case. Effectively, I like to say we have a lot of skin in the game, and our objective is to meet or exceed the targets we present to our client.